So we're in a world, or I'm in a world, where what we're trying to do is we're really asking people to write a check, a substantial check. So it's the idea that you're suggesting to run a parallel, not a parallel, but a campaign that is encouraging of a charitable contribution. Let me ask you this. It sounds a bit crass to ask, but seriously, is the idea to find those people who not only who are willing to write checks, but who also have the depth of financial capability in order to be able to make a donation to a charity as an indicator of somebody who may be a good prospect for investing in real estate?
Yeah. I mean, it's not going to be your only indicator, but people online are willing to donate to charities. And but not everyone's willing to, our prayers and our thoughts and, I totally support this organization, but I've never given them a penny or a minute of my time.
Huh.
So when you've got people that people online want to donate, they want to feel good, they want to participate in something. So if it's asking someone to donate to a local charity or an event that you're in, and some of these things can be high-end sponsorships. It could be buying a table to an exclusive, charitable type thing, but we're buying a table as a $10,000 investment. Mm-hmm. If they're willing to spend $10,000 on a table and it's in alignment with what you do in terms of your investments in your target audience and what they may, then that's somebody who's very likely to want to participate and would be a hot lead in terms of asking for some sort of financial donation or contribution, I should say, to, your investment properties. So it's a good indicator. It's not guaranteed to be an indicator. And that's not saying that the people who didn't donate to the charity wouldn't still be good prospects, but it's a good way to narrow it down from a massive funnel. And I mean, the reality is if you're going out and asking people for $100, that's a small ask. If you're going out and asking for $1 million, $10 million, you don't just go out on social media and say, hey, who wants to send me a check for $10 million? We're going to build a building. They're going to laugh at you. They're going to do what you're doing. They're going to laugh. But if you've narrowed them down to an audience that are already of that type of investment level, that they're willing to spend $2,500, $10,000, $50,000 on charitable things. Imagine what they do on something that would actually bring them money back in return as an investment on a property. So they become your hot leads, but it's all just from things you've done by building a community on social media to then target those people.